I don't just talk about change. I see change happen every single day. I've seen people at their worst, hard-headed, stubborn, the kind of people that most of the world gives up on. And then I've watched those same people transform and show up for others. They serve and they completely change their life. And if they can do it, so can you. It ends up being mostly men that I help, but there are about 10 to 15% females too. I've learned what breaks people and what keeps them stuck. And more importantly, I actually have seen what creates change, what ingredients it takes for someone to change their whole life. Here, I'm taking everything that I've learned and I'm applying it to women. I'm teaching women how to empower themselves, to live their best lives, to stop settling, to stop taking crap off of anybody, and to start showing up as who they were created to be. Strong, grounded, unapologetic, unstoppable. I see how God shows up in people's lives in ways that I can't even explain. I know that the transformation is real. I see it every single day. I'm also a suicide prevention instructor. So I've had those hard conversations and I've sat with people in their darkest moments trying to find a way forward. I'm just here to teach you what I know. And I want you to take that information and help others. I'm a mom, and I've been through some things in life, probably just like you. I'm not here to pretend I'm perfect. And I'm just here to take the wins and apply them in a way that helps others grow too. It's not a one-time fix, ladies. It's a long journey.